Today I am reviewing the Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop AC16250 is a powerhouse designed for gamers and creators who demand both performance and stunning visuals. Right from the start, you'll notice the 16-inch WQXGA display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which delivers incredibly smooth visuals and a crisp, vibrant picture at 2560 by 1600 resolution. With 300 nits of brightness, this screen ensures every game, movie, or creative project looks bright and lifelike, whether you're in a brightly lit room or a dim gaming environment. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the Intel Core i7-240H processor, delivering fast and reliable multi-core performance for gaming, streaming, and productivity. The 16GB of DDR5 RAM paired with a 1TB SSD guarantees lightning-fast load times, seamless multitasking, and a responsive overall experience. You can jump between games, editing software, and creative apps without any lag or stutter, making it ideal for both work and play. For gaming enthusiasts, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 8GB graphics card brings cutting-edge performance to the table. With the power of NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and AI-enhanced rendering, you can enjoy realistic graphics, ray tracing, and high frame rates across the latest AAA titles. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters, immersive RPGs, or creative design software, this GPU ensures a smooth, stunning experience. One of the standout features of the Alienware 16 Aurora is its innovative cooling system. The newly designed Cryo-Chamber structure directs airflow precisely where it's needed most, keeping the core components cool under heavy loads. This advanced thermal system works silently and efficiently, so you can game for hours without worrying about overheating, all while maintaining consistent performance. The design of the Alienware 16 Aurora focuses on comfort and usability. Its sleek, streamlined chassis not only looks futuristic, but also provides excellent thermal support without requiring bulky rear vents. Every curve and port has been thoughtfully designed to optimize airflow, heat dissipation, and user comfort, allowing gamers and professionals to stay focused on what matters: performance. Dell also provides peace of mind with 1-year Onsite Service, offering support wherever you are. If you encounter a hardware issue that cannot be fixed remotely, Dell technicians will come to your home, office, or preferred location to get you back in action. This ensures minimal downtime and maximum confidence for long-term use. In summary, the Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop AC16250 is a complete package for anyone who wants high-end gaming performance, a stunning display, and robust build quality. With its WQXGA 120Hz display, Intel Core i7-240H processor, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD, and RTX 5050 graphics, it's designed to handle everything from competitive gaming to creative work with ease. Add Alienware's advanced cooling and Dell's trusted on-site service, and you have a laptop that's ready for the future of gaming and productivity.